Let's take a look at the USDZAR and see where we can identify supply and demand levels and trade it for income. On the monthly, there's a area of supply created up here that's been tested on departure 1 time, 2 times, and now the 3rd time. So we're expecting price to penetrate deeper, but it is a pretty weak zone. Poor basing, long wicks, but it's a very high time frame, so its likelihood of holding, it's much better likelihood than, let's say, a daily or 4-hour zone, because this is a higher time frame, monthly zone. So price has dropped and then rally base, and so it created an area of demand right here and also down here as well. It made this continuation pattern, and then it also made a demand zone at the end of the pivot here. So price held price pretty well, attacking this supply zone, and now it is retracing, possibly down here or even to right here. So monthly has supply zone in control. We can counter trend short, or we can wait until price drops further and trade the range. On the weekly, we have uptrend. You can draw this trend line with an area of demand pretty strong here. The only problem is, as pointed out earlier on the monthly supply zone, the monthly supply zone is pretty close. So whenever a lower time frame demand zone fights a higher time frame supply zone, the higher time frame always wins. But let's zoom out and see where we can draw supply zones. We can draw one up here. One right here. So there's one right here and one right here at current price. So it probably saw this one, and that's why it's reacting. And keep in mind, this lower time frame is also the same as this monthly. This monthly is so huge, it's covering this one and this one all together. On the daily, we have price slowing down and creating this area of demand. So if you are a counter trend trader, you can say, hey, monthly area supply in control. Weekly, it's going to reverse down here. You can trade on the way down. Let's say you are waiting for, this is a good zone to take. If price retraces up here, you can short it. You can short it on the way down, but that's counter trend. It's counter trend trading, and its likelihood of working is not as good as if you go with the trend, because let's say price can hold on this weekly EMA and rally up and then break through this and go up higher, or it could drop. We're expecting it to drop lower, but because there could be other obstacles that's holding price to do what we're expecting to do, but do the opposite of what we're expecting to do. So if it touches this EMA and rally up, and then it can break this. Or even if there's no EMA here, then it's likely to work in the counter trend, but there's this EMA that can hold price down. The 4-hour is a downtrend. Let's see. If you draw a trend line, so it's still So this area of supply is playing out. So yeah, if you're a counter trend trader, you can trade this zone up here, or this one, wait until it drops, then create a new zone, and then keep shorting on the way down, all the way down here if you wanted to. Okay, and that is the analysis on USD South African Rand. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please share with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.